প্ৰিয়াৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ মাল্টিটাস্কিং,
ৰোহনৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ সদায় ৰঙিয়াল। আমি দুয়ো বেলেগ,
পিছে এজন আনজনৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ।
আৰু এই ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আমি নিতৌ পাওঁ প্ৰটিনেক্স খাই।
চাইণ্টিফিকলি ডিজাইন ই 8 সপ্তাহতে আপোনাৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ বঢ়োৱাত সহায় কৰে। প্ৰটিনেক্স,
ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আপোনাৰ বাবে,
আপোনজনৰ বাবে।
द किनीवट्रेप यूथ काउंसिल HYC ने शुक्रवार को शिलांग छावनी बोर्ड के अधिकार क्षेत्र में रहने वाले अवैध निवासियों को तत्काल बेदखल करने की मांग की। ऐसा एक दिन बाद हुआ जब संगठन ने आम जनता से कई शिकायतें प्राप्त करने के बाद फायर एंड इमरजेंसी स्टेशन इवडू 12 बाजार शिलांग के सामने स्थित बोर्ड के अधिकार क्षेत्र के भीतर लोगों के अवैध निपटान के अस्तित्व पर एक स्पॉट जांच की थी। इस संबंध में HYC के प्रतिनिधिमंडल द्वारा आज आयोजित एक बैठक के दौरान SCB के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी CEO को एक ज्ञापन सौंपा गया। HYC के अध्यक्ष रॉयकुपर सिनरेम ने बैठक के बाद संवाददाताओं से कहा, हमने इस मांग के साथ CEO से मुलाकात की कि इन अवैध निवासियों को बेदखल करने और बोर्ड द्वारा निपटान को ध्वस्त करने के लिए त्वरित कार्रवाई की जाए।
Inquiry into the illegal settlement that are there opposite the fire and emergency station of Meghalaya at Yudu or Yomolong. During our inspection, we have found out that there are about 80 to 100 households who are illegally settling in the land which belong to the Shillong Cantonment Board. As per our information, we have also found out that these people were illegally settling there without any authority. Neither they have got any permission from the Cantonment Board or from any authority whatsoever. So after finding out that today we came to meet the CEO with a demand that the Shillong Cantonment Board should take prompt action so that these illegal settlers should be evicted from the land concerned. During a meeting today with the CEO, we have been informed that the particular plot of land, though it falls under Shillong Cantonment Board, but the authority which look after this plot of land is the Defence Estate Officer, whose main office is in Guwahati. And the CEO has also informed us that there is a litigation going on with regarding to this particular plot of land. But then he doesn't know the exact status of the case. What we have told the CEO, because today we came with representation to the CEO, we have requested the CEO that he should reply to a letter what are the steps that we needed to be taken henceforth so that we may know or we will know whom to approach. So he has assured us that he will reply to a letter. Based on the reply given by the CEO, HYC will take necessary steps.
Okay, so these illegal settlers were there in how much plot of land is? What is the total area?
The total area, the exact total area, I don't know, but it's very small. It runs into 10 or 20,000 square feet. It's not very huge, but the people, the number of people who are staying there. When we visited yesterday, we found out that in a 10 by 10 room, around 10 to 20 people were staying. So if you calculate the number.